This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to embroider a mouth on your Amigurumi project. For this tutorial, you will need 3 straight pins, an 18-inch 45cm strand of yarn, a yarn needle, and scissors. Using straight pins, mark the top corners of the mouth and the bottom center of the mouth. Thread the strand of yarn through a yarn needle. Leaving the straight pins in place, insert the needle into the top left corner of the mouth. Exit the needle through the top right corner of the mouth, leaving an 8-inch, 20cm beginning yarn tail. Align the strand of yarn along the bottom edge of the straight pins to create the mouth shape. Hold the strand of yarn in place where the center straight pin is. Remove the center straight pin. Insert the needle through the top left corner of the mouth and exit it directly above the center of the mouth. Insert the needle directly below the center of the mouth, which will create a stitch that holds the center of the mouth in place. Now we're going to create the creases of the smile. Starting on the left side, add a horizontal line above each corner of the smile, about 1 centimeter in length. After creating the crease on the right side, exit the needle through the same stitch as the beginning yarn tail. Remove the yarn needle. Secure the beginning and ending yarn tails together with a double knot. Cut the ending yarn tail even with the beginning yarn tail, which would be about 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Thread the tails through the yarn needle. Insert the needle directly below the knot and exit the needle through the back of the head. Gently pull on the yarn tails so the double knot disappears inside the work. Maintaining light tension, cut the yarn tails flush with the surface of the work so the remaining yarn tails disappear inside the head. Aww, look how happy your amigurumi looks to have a smile. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!